How to craft a high-converting squeeze page. Once you've created your free offer, it's time to move to creating your squeeze page. Before you do anything, you have to understand this. Your squeeze page has only one purpose and one purpose only, and that's to get visitors to submit their email address in exchange for some information or resources. That's it. And to do that, the very first thing that you need is a strong headline. The headline is the first thing visitors see, and it's within those first few seconds of seeing it that they will make a decision as to whether or not they're going to stick around on the page and submit their email. So it's got to be good, and it's got to be strong, and it's got to be enticing. I've noticed that some of the absolute very best headlines that I've seen and that I've used are going to either solve a problem, offer some sort of solution, make a promise, cause some sort of controversy, pique curiosity, or make some sort of enormous claim. It's very important that your headline does one of those well. That's why the headline is always going to be the largest text. It has to stand out from everything else. After the headline, you can simply have a subheadline, maybe some bullet points, a strong call to action, then the opt-in form. But not all of that is necessary. Some of my absolute best performing squeeze pages are nothing more than a headline, a strong call to action, and an opt-in form. Here are a couple of examples of squeeze pages that have converted well for me. As you can see, there's a strong headline. It stands out from the rest of the page, so as soon as the visitor hits the squeeze page, that's the first thing they see. And the headline is providing a solution to their problem. You have to think about the people who are landing on these pages. They've got some kind of problem that they want to find a solution for. The headline, if it's a good one, will immediately tell them that you've got a solution to that specific problem, so it gets their attention right away. Then there's a strong call to action telling them exactly what they need to do. Enter your email below. So when they see that, they're thinking, okay, they've got a solution to my problem, and to get that solution, all I have to do is enter my email. It's very important to have a strong call to action. You need to tell visitors exactly what they need to do to get the information they're looking for. So let's take a look at another squeeze page. Again, we've just got the most important elements on the page. We have our headline that stands out. Under our headline, we've got a strong call to action. But you can also include things like a subheadline, maybe a couple of bullet points, or maybe just a strong call to action like I have right here. In the headline, you need to tell them exactly what they're going to get. So here, it's a free report. And you can use the same kind of structure for your headline, regardless of what niche you're in. Free report reveals the 5 superfoods that let you lose weight fast. Free video reveals 3 easy ways to date more women. Whatever your free offer is about, you need to mention it in the headline, and you need to let them know that you've got a solution to whatever problem they're dealing with. Now, you're not going to solve all their problems with your free offer. That's what your one-time offer and upsells are for. But you're going to help them solve a specific problem with your free offer, and you need to let them know that you can solve that specific problem in the headline. So then the call to action tells them that if they want this solution, all they have to do is enter their email below to fix that problem now. It's pretty simple, but it's very effective, and that's exactly how your squeeze pages should be as well. Straight to the point and hard-hitting. Tell them what they're going to discover, and tell them exactly how they can get it. That's it. Remember, the only purpose a squeeze page has is to get people to enter their emails into an opt-in form and click on the button. So just get right to it and get them onto your list. If you end up using one of the tools we mentioned earlier, OptimizePress or WP Lead Gorilla, it's really easy to set up a squeeze page that converts a lot of visitors to subscribers. You don't need to know anything technical. You just choose the type of design you want, then enter your headline and other text. It's really easy, and you should be able to get your own squeeze page set up relatively quickly.